of the darkness in men's minds. What can you say that wasn't marked by history or the TV news today? He gets away with murder. The blizzards come and go, the stab and glare and buckshot of the heavy, heavy snow. It comes and goes, it comes and goes. His grandpa loved an empire. His sister loved a thief. And Lindsey loved the ways of darkness beyond belief. Girls in chilly blouses. The blizzards come and glare and buckshot of the heavy, heavy snow. It comes and goes, it comes and goes, it comes and goes. Cops don't seem to care for derelicts or ladies of the night. They're weeds for yanking out of sight. If you're smart or rich or lucky, maybe you'll beat the laws of man. But the inner laws of spirit and the outer laws of nature, no man can, no man can. There lives a wolf in Lindsey that raids and runs through the hills of Hollywood and the downtown slums. He gets away with murder. Blizzards come and go, buckshot